Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to scan any documents in iPhone without using any scanner app. So without any further delay, let's begin. So if you're using iPhone devices or iPad devices, you will most probably know that iOS device does not comes with a inbuilt scanner applications. So how to use it, actually how to scan any documents. So for this we mostly rely on the third-party scanner applications that are available in the app stores, but in this video tutorial I will show you without using any scanner applications. So how you can do it? So as you can see on the screen, application name is Notes, right? So these Notes can be used as a scanner app. So how you can do it? So the first method, just tap and hold and you will get an option. You can see here, scan document. Directly you can access this option by pressing and holding on the respective application that is from the Note app. And also you can do other step by opening the Notes application, and you can see here creating a new note. So just tap on it. Now you can see below camera applications. You can just click on this camera applications, then you will get this option for scan documents. So let's try to scan something. So here I have one paper, so let me try to scan something. So let me click this scan documents option. So you can see here, so you can see it's trying to detect. So I've clicked it. So you can see here there is a preview mode. So you can see here I've directly scanned. So below on the right side you can see a save. So you can just click on save. So and you can click on done to save it on the Notes applications. So here are all the scanned documents, and the good thing is that the scanner used to automatically scan. So let me show you here. It will automatically click. You can see I have not clicked any. So once you detect the documents, it will automatically click. So you can use these auto scanner applications. So if you have multiple pages, then it will directly detect your pages and it will click it. So it's very useful application, and once you're done, click on save and it will be saved on your Notes application. So using this inbuilt Notes applications, you can use your iPhone device as any scanner device. So if you never known about these hidden features that is available in your Notes app that comes with inbuilt with every iPhone or iPad devices, then you should definitely try these tricks, and I'm sure it will gonna help you. Without using any third-party scanner app, you can directly use your iPhone devices as a scanner device. So try this useful video tutorial, and if you find any difficulty in understanding this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.